Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Argil opens first food innovation center in India to address growing consumer demand.
Farmers will get loan without collateral if they cultivate nutritious paddy.
Strategic partnership between Benlink and Alfa Laval to expand services in the food and energy industries.
RFL is coming to the daily commodity market with big investment.
Apply for NGFA's Committee Apprentice Program.
Malaysia's palm oil stocks hit a 5-month low in late December as production fell.
EBS, IAOM to share knowledge, member rates.
Brazil set a record for soybean exports in 2021.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.